Yeah, I can tell that this is the moment you've been waiting for. So let's go ahead and run some few visualizations based on the data we have. Okay, so over here we want to go ahead and then click on this one, and you can see something like this, and it's that simple. It's that simple. Look at that. Just look at that. We have sales against the year, and Power BI is plotting this. Then you come to think about it. Where is my first January data? Where is my second January data, third January data? And oh yeah, that is the reason why we're doing the hierarchies. Okay, so we are going to see that in a moment. So you see this particular arrows here, and then this ones, and then that one. Okay, that's what we'll be using for the magic. Now you see this. Now this is plotting it by the quarter. Okay, like the first quarter, this is how much sales you were able to make. The second quarter, this is how much sales you were able to make. The third quarter to the fourth quarter. Okay, and that is because we have the year started from here, the quarter. The next drilling we are going to do is going to provide us with the month, and the next is going to provide us with the day. Okay, so let's go ahead and then drill through further. You can see January, February, March through to December. Okay, now let's drill through, and you can see this is providing you days. All right, okay, all right. So that's really simple, and then quick to do with Microsoft Power BI. Okay, so we are going to be looking at more interesting stuff in subsequent tutorials. Thank you.